Fundamentals, bro. So you open, you say hi to the girl, you make conversation, you start flirting with her, you ask her out, you take her out, you take you take her and you go fuck her. Now before you leave the house, carry condoms with you. I got myself a little pouch. It's just a zip baggie, like I don't know what kind of material. It's like a material pouch. It's about this big, and it can fit like 6 to 9 condoms in it. I keep it with me when I leave the house. Then when I approach a girl, I ask her out immediately. I ask her what she's up to. She tells me she's busy. Okay, it's nice to meet you. Bye. So every time I approach a girl, I'm screening for logistics. Is she logistically available to go out with me right now? If she's available to go on an instant date with me, and she's willing to isolate herself with me, then she's down to fuck. And then I take her and I go fuck her. But I tell her that I want to fuck her in the first 5 minutes of the conversation. She knows what's up. I'm not trying to surprise her. That's the difference between a creepy guy and a sexually confident guy. A creepy guy tries to hide his intentions. He feels guilty about it and he tries to sneak the sex into the conversation. A sexually confident guy just brings up the subject of sex, like he's talking about the weather, because it's normal. He doesn't creep it in, he doesn't creep around the subject. He just brings it up. It's out in the open, it's overt. So I tell the girl I want to fuck her. I'm talking about her and I having sex. If she's not DTF, she will leave. If she is DTF, she will come with me.